Very good morning, dear student. So today I will going to do the second sections which you can find in your book, combinations of many chapters, sub sections of the chapters is applying the formatting features, different type of formatting features in a paragraph and text, and how we can format it and how we can work on it, the pictures, borders, colors, all these different type of implementation that I'm going to discuss in today's discussions. So let's start. So dear student, see here what I have done here. I have written some lines here. Okay, so in this particular lines what has been written, there are some invitations has been written here. You can write anything, any part of the document, anything of the document. Now in this particular document, what the first thing is that first and foremost I want to do the designing with those different types of words. Okay, so suppose I have selected this one. So when I have selected this one, you can see here that there is a font option is there. Now when I go to the font option, shift plus control plus F, if you click on it, you will find here the drop down type of different pattern of drop down letters will going to come, isn't it? Different form of a letter. So what way you want to write it, what the way you want to write that particular thing. So there are the different letter formats are there. You can select any of the letter format if whatever you want. Suppose I have selected this. Now when I have selected this, from here I can increase the size. Okay, as I increase the size, if I want to make it bold, I can make it bold. Suppose I make it bold. If I want to make it italic, that also I can make it. See, it has making an italic. Now after that you come here. This is under which menu? This is under the home tab. We are doing all this work under the home tab, isn't it? Previously I have shown you under the home tab editing and all. Now in the home tab what we are doing? We are changing the style of the particular thing. Now you can see here there are the different type of color. If you are satisfied with this color, okay. If you are not satisfied, go to the more color. So when you go to the more color, the color box will open in front of you. In this color box what you will going to find that there is a standard and custom form. Okay, standard and custom form. So this is the particular standard and custom form what is there. In this particular standard and custom form, see here the letters are here is like an honeycomb, isn't it? So from here you can select the particular color, what color you want. Suppose you selected this one, this color, or you can go to the customized area. Customized area means there is a combination of three color, red, green and blue. As much as you increase or decrease the particular thing, it will going to increase or decrease in this manner. Like you see here, the highest limit is 255. Okay, so there is green color, all red, green and blue. So if you increase it, suppose you are increasing the particular thing, you will see the color will going to change. I am increasing the red there. See how the color is changing, isn't it? So there also you can, if you increase this one 255, I have given the maximum limit, all has become white. Okay, so if I decrease this particular area, you can see it, the thing is been decreasing. Okay, so as I am decreasing, you see the color has been changes. Now it is, so if I click on OK, you will see this particular thing has come in this particular format. That means this particular color is been implemented here. Now suppose I selected this area. This area, when I select, I go to the pattern of the styles that are available. Lot of different pattern of styles are available. You see here so many styles, so many pattern of writings is there. Whichever the writing you find it that you want to implement here. Suppose this one, this pattern of things. Now from here you can use the color, different type of color face, isn't it? Different type of color face that you can implement from here. Whichever the thing you want, you can use this also, you can use this also. So as you use this, you can increase the size. So as you increase the size, see the thing has increased. That means this particular portion has increased. Color formation, if you want to change the color of it, whatever color formation you want. Suppose I want to give this red with yellow. isn't it? So this is the thing what you can give it here. That means what we have learned from here: bold, italic, the different font styles, size of the fonts, color and style of the fonts. Next what it comes, that there are different other pattern. Like if you select this particular thing, suppose you have selected this particular thing, if you have selected this particular thing, see here there is one more thing that is known as an highlighter. Okay, so highlighter portion is there. This, if you select a highlighter, see the particular thing will be highlighted in that color, that as you use the highlighter. Suppose you select this one, you select the highlighter. There are so many pattern of highlighter is there, is available, isn't it? Different form of highlighter is there, is available. You can select any part or any pattern of the highlighter which can be very clearly visible. Any pattern of highlighter you can use this also. So this is the thing, or you can use this particular pattern of the highlighter there, isn't it? You can use this particular pattern. First you have to select it. Always what the work you will do, first you have to select that particular area. After selecting, so this is the highlighting area, you can select the highlighter, which the highlighter you want to give it. Okay, so this is what the highlighting section is. So this way you can highlight your different pattern or style of writing, and in this particular way, when you can highlight it, what you find it that those the highlight section what is there, those the highlight part what is there, they are being implemented and they are being worked in this particular area, isn't it? So they are been worked in this particular area. Next what you can find, that you have a different portion. Suppose I am writing here, you see here, suppose I am writing drama, D-R-A-M-A, drama, D-R-A-M-A, drama. After that I have written here, suppose S-P-O-R-T-S, sports. Then I have written here G-A-M-E, game. Then I have written here A-R-T, art. Okay. Then I have written here song, S-O-N-G, song. So see here I have written so many things. So under this, when you select all this area, after selecting it, what you can find, there are the different type of sub menus or bullets that you can implement here. Suppose I implement this pattern of bullet or this type of bullets. If you want to define new pattern of bullets, that also you can give it. Symbols, if you want any pattern of symbols, you can select the symbols from there. See the symbols what are there, you can select the symbols. It is working now. Okay, it is showing, it is it will respond. See, so many patterns of symbols are there. You can use this pattern of symbols in the front. Whatever the symbol you require, that pattern of symbol you can use it. If you want to insert the picture, so click on it, it will going to fetch the different type of pictures, whatever pictures you want to bring it. Okay, so see here from Bing, how to bring Bing. Okay, search from Bing. So if you click search Bing, so Bing will going to search the picture for you, isn't it? Bing will going to search the picture for you. You will write it, what picture. See the picture it has given here, the Bing has opened. Suppose there are all the different pre-defined format is there. Let it to open. See, so many animals is there, different patterns of animals. If you are not satisfied with the animals, then you can go for here. See here different other things will going to come. You can write it. Suppose you want to give the in different forms. Suppose Indian art, I-N-D-I-A and Indian A-R-T, art. So Indian art, if you give Indian art, see it will going to search. So many pattern of Indian art is there, whichever art you want. Suppose you want this particular thing, 3 heads, okay, or you want to give this one, okay, any of this particular Indian art pattern, this Konarak suns, let us give this. Okay, so see here, these the things is there. If you do okay, it will going to insert here. Okay, if you do okay, see they are there, those the things are there. Now this is the way how you can give the menus and sub menus. Suppose under this drama you want to write here, suppose Rabindra, Rabindra, Nath, Tagore, Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore. So this particular thing, suppose you select these two things and you want to make the subsection of it. Okay, see here, subsection you can create. So any pattern of subsections, what are the subsections? See here, so many pattern of subsections are there. You can create any pattern of, suppose this is the subsection, one pattern of subsections, or you want to create this pattern of subsection. See, anyway you can create the different type of subsections there. Based on that you can create the particular structure. Okay, so this has come under this one. So this is how you can create them and you can make them those the structures. Next, what we can say, the alignment, different pattern of alignment. If you select this particular thing, now you see here, this is what, this is by default Control plus L, left align. Now if you want to make it a center align, Control plus E, click on it. See, it is centrally aligned. If you want to make it the right align, Control plus R, it will be right align. Okay, if you want to make it a justified align, Control plus J, it will be a justified align. If you want to come back in the particular format what it is there, you can come back from there. Okay, now you see here some of the other things. Suppose those the things what is written in capital letter. Suppose this game is written in capital letter. Okay, so here is an incrementer, that means size you want to increase or decrease. So increase the font size, Control plus Shift plus greater than, if you press it, or if you click on it, it will become bigger. And this is a decrementer. See here, if you decrease this particular thing, this will become small. If you want to make a strike out, see, the thing has been striked out. Okay, another more thing that I want to show you. Suppose I want to write a formula. I am increasing the letter font, I am increasing the size of it, suppose 22. Color, okay, color I am giving here which will be prominent, red. Okay, red will be prominent, suppose this color. Now I am writing here, suppose H2O. So when I am writing this one, now suppose H2O, H will come at bottom, isn't it? How to bring it at the bottom? So see here, there is a subscript, Control plus equals to sign, if you press it will come, see, isn't it? So another way of writing, I am writing, suppose I am changing the font pattern, suppose Arial round, I am increasing it 24, changing the color of it, see, I am bringing it in a green color. Okay, so more deep green if you want, then you can go for that more color options, and in the more color options, standard color, see here the light green and deep green color is there. Okay, so I am writing here A square plus B square plus, okay, plus 2ab. So a square, this will square will go where? At the top. So square will go at the top, that means it is a superscript. So superscript is Control plus Shift plus sign, if you press it, it will come, or you can directly come here, it will go in this particular form. Okay, see here, this is the thing, you make it a superscript, it forms a superscript. So this is the way for doing any pattern of equations or any pattern of formulas, that also you can do it and you can work on this particular area. Okay, now after this you see here that suppose I want to give this particular document, what is there in this document, I want to give a background color. So background color, how can you give it? There are many ways to give a background color. See here, this is a paragraph shading, paragraph color, what is there? No color is there. If you use more color and go to this particular color section, okay, see here the color will be implementable in this area. Now total area that you want to color, total area you want to fill color, you can go for, just a moment, you will click on it. As you click on it, it will going to show you the different options that are available there, isn't it? At this moment it is working on the particular area. So as it is working on the particular area, it will going to take a little bit of time. Fine, it will going to take a little bit of time for this particular executions to be worked out. Okay, so let it to work. Now see, in this particular document what I want to insert. First you see that I want to insert the header and footer. So there are different way of inserting. So if I go to the direct header sections, in the header sections, if you click on this particular header section, you will find that the work will be responding. Since there are different pattern of headers are there. Okay, if I want this particular header, see the header came with a page number. Okay, so in this header and footer, as you do it, the header footer document will be opened here. If you want to close the header footer, it will going to close. If you want to give a date and time, if you want to give a document informations, okay, name, first name, if you want to write here, suppose first name, I am writing here my FIRST, first DOCUMENT. Okay, my first document. So this I have written it here. So this thing will be there. If you want to bring a picture there, that picture you can do from a file and from online. So let us bring some picture from online, isn't it? Let us bring some picture from online and implement it here. So I am writing here, suppose Rabindranath. Okay, then enter. See here, it will going to fetch the picture of the Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, different pictures. See here, so many pictures of the Rabindranath Tagore is there. So whichever picture you think you can implement here, many picture will going to come. See, so many picture will going to come, different type of pictures will going to come of Tagore. So you can implement. Suppose I am taking this one. Okay, I am inserting this one. So as I am inserting this one, the picture will going to come now. See, the picture is installing here and the picture is there. Now I can make this picture smaller. I can make the picture size smaller as per my requirement. Okay, as per my requirement of the things. See here. Okay, as per my requirement, I am making the picture and I am formatting this particular picture. So that you can do. Okay, you can bring the picture. You can now, if you want to give a border, you can implement the border, whichever the border you want in the picture. Suppose you want a circular border or you want this particular border, that you can give the border. See, border is there around the picture, or this border, this also, this pattern of border is there. Then you can insert the color of that particular border. Okay, whatever the color you want. Suppose I am giving here this yellow color, isn't it? See here, the yellow color came. So this is the way total designing that you can do. Okay, so two options are opened here. See, picture tools and format design. So if you go to the this one, format header and footer. Now suppose you want to give a footer. So there are the different pattern of footers are there that you can use, or if you want to give only the page number, you can give the page number at a bottom. Okay, plain footer at the middle, suppose page number will going to come. See here, only the page number will going to come. So this is how you can make the arrangement of the header footer. If you want to close it, you can close it, or if you double click here, you will find that you are outside from here. Next, what you can find it, that you can give go to the design, and from the design you see page border. Page border is there in the design. If you click on the page border, you can find here that different types of borders are available. Okay, different lines you can implement. So those are the different designs are there. Suppose this design I want to implement. So color, I want to select the color. Suppose I am giving a red color, so it will become prominent. Okay, thickness, if you want to increase the particular thickness of it, that also you can do, isn't it? Different type of thickness, if it is there, that you can use the thickness, how many points. Okay, art, if you want to give, impose it, you can give it. See here, different pattern of artistic patterns are there that you want to give it. So border, if you want to apply the border, so click on OK. If you click on OK, you will see that a particular border is there. Okay, the particular border is there around your page. That means your total page designing, that you can do it from here. Watermark, if you want to give the watermark, suppose confidential letter is there, suppose you want to give the watermark this one, or watermark you want to create your own watermark, you can remove the watermark also from here. You can customize the watermark. Go to this particular watermark, customize watermark, and what you want to write, what you want to write in English language, what is the thing that you want to write. No watermark, so picture. Okay, so if you want to give the picture, or if you want to give the text watermark, that means text is in English, what is the text you want to write. Suppose you are writing that digital document, DIGITAL, digital, DOCUMENT, not to copy, not to copy. Okay, then apply, if you give it apply, it will going to apply there. Okay, it will going to apply there, and see here it is applying, and after it is applying, then you can make it the particular structure. You can change the font, what font you want, that also you can do. Caliber font, there are different pattern of fonts are available. Copper black is there, copper black you can use. Okay, okay, after okay, then you can apply it. See, the thing will going to be implemented here. See here, digital document, not to copy. Okay, so this is how the things you can implement. Page color, if you want to give the page color, one more thing is there, the page color. If you want to give this page a certain color, lot of color options is available. You can go to the more color also. From more color, you can select the particular color options, that what the color options you want to give it here, isn't it? Suppose I want to give the total document this particular deep green color. Okay, so see here, all things come in a deep green color. Okay, so this is what our today's work of using the different type of things. So from where we will get it? We get it from the design options. Okay, we get it from the design options, and from the design option we can implement it, and we can make this work. Okay students, then I am ending my today's session here. Thank you all.